Brother, as you are here from Saudi Arabia, so how do you feel actually to have a cup of tea here?
Actually, I feel like having tea. That's I'm here, and as you can see, one of my uncle's store here, uncle's tea store here. So I'm really excited to having tea. But it's really matter of so that we didn't get to right now because it will happen or it will take to like 10 minutes, and inshallah after 10 minutes we'll get the tea, and when we'll take the tea or having the tea, I will be able to understand what kind of tea made from our uncles. So
Okay,
that's it.
so as you have said that having tea in the shop is very delicious. So do you want to come back once again in the shop?
Okay, inshallah, if I get any chance the next time, then I will be come here. If the tea will, if the tea, if I get any specialty from this, and I believe that because how will or how he's making the tea, I think the tea will be very delicious for me and for other person. And I still inside of I don't know the area's name. Please, would you like to mention the area's name?
This is called Lotipur. Okay,
Wow,
as
this
you
is
know that there is a school. You can see this is called Lotipur High School.
Oh, this is the high school, like Lodipur High School, and whatever I listened before, this is the very famous school in the site, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. To say that they're really uncle. There are two uncles, and one of my owner of the tea stall. So the tea will be very delicious. We hope that, but it really matters so that we didn't get tea right now. Inshallah, we have to wait for 10 minutes to get the tea. So let's see how will the tea.
Okay,
Just wait for a few minutes.
okay, okay. আপনি যে আপনার দোকানে এসে কথা বলে আপনার কেমন লাগলো?
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ খুব ভালো লাগছে।
ওকে, আপনি চান যে উনি আরেকবার আসুক?
হ্যাঁ আসুক 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 ওখানে আসুক।
আপনার কেমন লাগছে দাদা?
ভালো লাগে
হিন্দি তো মনে দেখায় নাই না?
ভালো
তো উনি আপনিও চান যে উনি আবার আসুক?
আবার আসুক আমরা দেখো আবার আসুক ভালো লাগলো কথা বলে।
ওকে।
Okay, the kakas.